here's your river report. So I've been fishing up this fly that I bought in Wyoming. It's a nail there and then a hook there, barbless, with some eyes. It's been pretty well used, so that eye's almost gone. I'll have to replace that. But all we've been doing is just streamer fishing, and we caught 2 pretty good fish, and we've just been casting it out like that pretty far, and then strip, and just continue stripping, and then we've been getting them right there on like the swing. So yep, we tried black. We got a few follows on black, but right now green and white are the way to go. So yeah, happy fishing.